Hello friends, let's crochet together a small tomato like this mini carrot or a small pumpkin or this little apple. So I have yarn-knot jeans, dark red and green, and the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic ring and 8 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in the first stitch we make a slip stitch and a chain. Pull the thread. There is no hole in the center, and in the second round we make 8 increases. The first increase, we make 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. The second increase, the third, the fourth, the fifth increase, the sixth, the seventh, and the last one. And we have 16 stitches in the second round. A slip stitch in the first round and a chain. In the next round we make 1 increase, and in the next stitch 1 single crochet, and continue 1 increase, 1 single crochet, increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet, and go on. And in the third round we have 24 stitches, and now we make several rounds without changes. 24 single crochets in each round. I've made 5 rounds without changes, and totally we have 8 rounds. In the 9th round we make decreases. We make a decrease and 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. And now we add fiber fill. And in the last round we make 8 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. A slip stitch, wait a minute, a slip stitch and a chain. We leave one end of the thread. We can add more fiber fill and take a needle and close the hole. For the front sides of the loops on the last round. Like this. Then we make the shape of a tomato. Like this. And now we can hide the thread inside the toy. Like this. Our tomato is almost ready, and let's make the green part. We make the first loop and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, and then we make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last loop we make, first of all we make a chain, and then in this loop we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in the first stitch we make a slip stitch, and this part should be in the center of our circle, like this. And then we make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, then 1 slip stitch, another 1 slip stitch, and a single crochet, and then we make a slip stitch in the next loop. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, a slip stitch, a single crochet, a slip stitch in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, a slip stitch, single crochet, a slip stitch, and continue till the end of the round. In the end of the round, we make a slip stitch and pull the thread to the back side. And then we make a chain, leave the long end to sew this part to tomato, cut the thread, and sew this part like this. And our baby tomato is ready. I will write links how to crochet another fruits and vegetables in the description to this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.